Verifying your YouTube Music account is essential for accessing all features and ensuring a smooth experience. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Open YouTube Music app. Download and install the YouTube Music app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Launch the app on your device. Step 2. Sign into your account. Tap on the Sign In button and enter your Google account credentials associated with YouTube Music. If you already have an account, simply log in. Step 3. Access account settings. Once logged in, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 4. Verify your email address. In the Settings menu, look for the option that says Verify Email or Account Verification. Follow the prompts to send a verification email to your registered email address. Check your inbox and click the verification link in the email. Step 5. Confirm your phone number. Return to the YouTube Music app and navigate back to the settings. Find the option to add or verify your phone number. Enter your phone number and follow the instructions to receive a verification code via SMS. Enter the code to complete the verification. Now your YouTube Music account is verified, allowing you to enjoy all the features and benefits it offers.